Welcome back, my people, to Open Vision Bible, where you get the latest of what taking place in Jamaica. This is the aftermath of Melissa. As you can see, there is a gully that passed through these people's house and teared on the wall. And as you can see, all the way down that where the gully traveled, this is the damage that Hurricane Melissa Cat 5 done to the island. As always, please remember to subscribe for more. I will keep you posted of the latest of what is taking place throughout the island of Jamaica. So as soon as the video drop, you will be the first one to get it. As you can see, there's a lot of mud here, a lot of debris. And this house actually built on the gully side. So there was always a gully that passed through, but people build on this side and then suffer damage now. So a lot of debris that caused by the gully, and as you can see all the way, a lot of damages that took place throughout the island. I will just keep you updated on the latest of what is taking place in Jamaica. As you can see, it ripped through this house like lightning speed, and the house soon collapsed. So, and leaked down that house down there. A lot of damage took place, a lot of things to rebuild back. Remember to subscribe. Lot, as you can see on the road, a lot of debris, a lot of mud. That's exactly like it. I drew them now. If them are selling me buy.
This house, yeah?
The crown.
The crown?
Yeah, some man money depend on the boy.
Someone that come like me high in my head.
I use ton UB tube at a thick scale.
Man, still come up with it.
When it in a tree. Fling it right in a tree. Push it out there,